My role was to implant electrodes over the spinal cord responsible for locomotion. So those are the last 6 centimeters of the spinal cord, and I applied electrodes on the top of the spinal cord that are linked to a neurostimulator located under the skin in the region of the abdomen. We start programming the stimulator in order to apply this electrical stimulation to the spinal cord of Mark, and he starts walking better.
So we've got 153,000 people affected by Parkinson's in the UK now, and about 12 million globally. So unfortunately, as people progress down their Parkinson's journey, the medications stop working. So with that individual that underwent the implantation, he was having freezing, having regular falls, and that is really quite a common occurrence in somebody with advanced Parkinson's. So you are dealing with a significant number that would potentially benefit from this.